Hi guys, I'm Gavin and we're unboxing this Scarecrow and Poison Ivy. So let's open up and take a look. Here, check out Poison Ivy. Here's Poison Ivy. Here's the back. And here's Scarecrow. He looks a really scary face. And here is his back. Here is steam gas or something. Yeah. Put on there. Make this other hand. There. So, thanks for watching Gavin's YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye.